All right, hi. Today I'm going to show you how to make interactive slides using your slides from Google in SeeSaw. So first you want to click Add and assign an activity. This will take you to a page where you can add new slides. So I'm going to click Create a new activity. I'm going to label it Morning or Number Corner. Add a detail or any instructions, which we talked about in other videos. And then I'm going to add a template. So you have to already have an idea of what you want your kids to be working on. I'm going to click Select from Google Drive. And I believe I called it SeeSaw Example. Okay, SeeSaw Example Slides. Select. So when you select Google Slides, it'll come up like JPEGs, like pictures. On the right side, I can see all the slides that were in my slideshow. I had 2. So these are not clickable. There's nothing they can move here. They can't move the words, but they can draw on them, they can write on them, and things like that. I want my kids to be able to put pictures in each category. So I'm going to grab my pictures and I'm going to upload pictures that I already have saved on my computer. So I saved quite a few of the number corner pictures that I want them to use. So I'm going to click on the ones that I want them to use and click Open. Okay, so now those are all here for me. I want to make them a little smaller and make sure they can see them all. Okay, so now I might want one example so that they understand what their job is. So I'm going to put this ruler here under length, and then I'm going to click the dots and click lock. Now they cannot move those objects. I might even add a caption so they understand what their job is. Move the pictures into the correct category. Great. My caption is added. It says it down here. And now this slide is ready for them. I'm going to move on to my next one. Days of virtual learning. Let's say we were on day 4 of virtual learning. I might want them to add their own dots. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots here and click Shapes. I'm going to make it a circle. Ooh. Make it a little smaller. Definitely want it to be red, so I'm going to go over here and click red. Now my circle is red. I might even copy, just Control C, Control V, C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, so then my instructions will be, I'll click on my add voice instructions. We are on day 3 of virtual learning. Can you make our 10 frames say 3? Great, so now that's a voice instruction and these dots are now movable. They could also, I might even add to my instructions, write a 3. So they could grab a pen and write 3. I don't want that on there for them, so I'm not going to do it. If I did, I might use a highlighter and say trace the 3. So then they could grab a pen and trace the 3. All right, then I would click check. Number corner, I would add my template. One thing, like Emily said, is if you wanted to add slides or things like videos to show them, you could do that in this portion. Let me show you that. So I just added the template. So that was the 2 pictures. But let's say I wanted to do my number corner video and then have them go to that. I could absolutely do that. Oops. I'm going to actually click upload. And it says I can upload MP4, MP3, or webcam. Mine are on YouTube, but I'm going to try to get mine from this one. Let's say it was Monday, March 23rd. So now they can watch my number corner video first and then interact with those slides. Okay, my video uploaded. I might even add a caption. But then Once it's all set, I will click the green arrow. So now that video will show up for the students and then they can do the activity. I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to assign it to my sample student. All right, let's go see what it looks like. So when the students pull it up, instead of like the template that usually comes up as the picture, the video will come up. So they can click, they can watch my number corner video. Okay, and then they know that they're supposed to add the response. They can listen to the instructions, move the pictures into the correct category, and then they will have control to do that. Oops, so I didn't click on the hand. I need to click on the hand. And then they can do that. You'll notice that this picture won't be movable for them. Okay, and then they can move on to the next slide, play the caption. We are on day 3 of virtual learning. Can you make our 10 frame say 3? They can move the dots. They can write over year 3, and then they'll click the check mark so that their finished slides will be sent to you. Hope that helps.